Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. And Bank Nifty opened gap down 500 point. Then from there shot up 1000 point. And 1000 point is normally 1 month move. But nowadays everyday Bank Nifty moving 1000 point, either up or down. And sometimes 2000 point. And after falling 500 point, shot up 1000 point, again came down by 700, 800 point, again shot up 500 point. I would say markets were going all over the places. Markets were just too volatile to handle. Intraday players are struggling. Most of the intraday players would have lost the money. Whichever way you put a stop loss, the stop loss was hit. Now, if you want to look some good things for today's market, in the pre-market I told you, if you are a long-term investor, these are the times you must look into investing in stocks like HDFC Bank. And I also gave you the example, Nestle, when there was a Maggi ban, so Nestle fell, and after that Nestle shot up 4 times. And now, today also, the HDFC Bank, it has already fallen like 12%, and after that yesterday it fell 3%. Again today gap down 3-4%. Now 15%, 20% fall. I don't think that there was anything very big negative in HDFC Bank result. Probably their results may not be as good as expected, but it is not really very bad, So the stock has to be hammered 18%, 20%. So as expected, after hitting a low today morning, and HDFC Bank has recovered more than 75 rupees. So that's almost more than 5% rally from the bottom. But despite HDFC Bank moving 5% and ICICI Bank and Axis Bank dragged the markets down, it was really puzzling. The people say HDFC Bank result was not good, so falling we can understand. But people said ICICI Bank result was good. And when the result came, in a US ADR, ICICI Bank was up by 5%. And then that is also falling. So today, I would say, maybe expiry related or maybe, positioning, I don't know, whatever it is. And the markets were just too volatile. But HDFC Bank has recovered, so that is one good sign. So I told you, like, we are looking for some good things. So HDFC recovered significantly is something really very good. Second thing, usually markets will be too volatile, and too volatile markets means either the market is in the bottoming out process or topping out process. Either at the top or at the bottom, markets will be too volatile. So because the markets have already fallen so much, when US markets are at all-time high, so we are about like 5% down and the markets were too volatile. So we can reasonably assume that Nifty is in the process of bottoming out process. And third, I told you today morning that Nifty has to take out 21,425. However, there was an error in my statement. So by mistake, instead of looking at the daily chart, I looked at the hourly chart. I did not notice the difference. So in a daily chart, and still Nifty is becoming long only above 21,490. It is not 21,425. In the morning, 21,425 was crossed. Then Nifty fell nearly 200 point, then shot up 250 point, and Nifty closed near 21,490, but not above that. So therefore, as of now, technically, Nifty is short only. Nifty is not long. But however, looking at such a dramatic recovery, we can hope, as I told you, today or tomorrow, it has to cross maximum 2 days time. And more than 2 days, if it is closing below 21,490, that means, the markets are not long. It is a short already. So anyway, two volatile markets, tomorrow is expiry, that may be even more volatile. If you can remember, around the same time last year, this Edinburgh report came and on Adani stocks. So Adani stocks, made the market too volatile. And now it is the turn of HDFC Bank. Ever since the HDFC Bank merger news came, so this has been the story and making huge moves on both the sides. So why market has to fall so much today in the morning? Yesterday 3% and again today 3-4%. Then from the bottom 5% shorter. So in all likelihood, markets can resume the rally or market become long, but as of now the market is really short. So that is really puzzling given the global cues. Even today European markets were firmly in green. US markets is still trading at all-time high. So maybe some positioning by some people or some big people, maybe they do not want the Bank Nifty to go up. So when HDFC Bank went up, so they shorted the Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. So today both ICICI Bank and Axis Bank fall was not actually expected. Even the Kotak Bank, when the results came, the market went up and then now it is falling. So too volatile, but let us hope 21,500 is crossed soon by tomorrow itself. So then we can continue to maintain some kind of a bullish stance. But as of now, clearly, technically, it is not bullish. But however, I'm not taking in a short view also just because of the reasons which I have mentioned. So FII data is still not out. So we need to check, sometimes, I think today FII selling may be more. Right? Tomorrow is a expiry day and then after that Friday is a holiday. So like a long weekend. So therefore the Nifty movement will be even more volatile tomorrow. So be ready for another roller coaster ride. So stock specific, we need to keep watching ICICI Bank, Axis Bank tomorrow. And IndusInd Bank, after falling continuously, so today moved higher. And I don't know why TCS, I think there was some news, some contract is getting cancelled or something. So TCS has been very, very weak since morning, but towards the end, since the market recovered, so that also recovered a little. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.